Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. Je m'appelle Shiva Jayanti, I'm Instrucko Shiva Jayanti, and today we are going to see how to tell your name in French, and we'll see some basic salutations. So let's start. So before knowing how to tell your name in French, let's see how to ask someone's name in French. So, comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Means what is your name? For example, je m'appelle Shiva Jayanti, tu t'appelles comment? Je m'appelle Shiva Jayanti, tu t'appelles comment? Means my name is Shiva Jayanti, what's your name? That means you will say je m'appelle. Je m'appelle means my name is. So, bonjour, je m'appelle Madeleine. Et toi, comment t'appelles-tu? Bonjour, je m'appelle Jean. Enchantée Madeleine. Au revoir. So, let's see what's the meaning of this. Bonjour. Bonjour means hi or good morning. Je m'appelle Madeleine. Je m'appelle means my name is Madeleine. My name is Shiva, so I'll say je m'appelle Shiva. Et toi, comment t'appelles-tu? Et toi means and you. Et is pronounced as a, and the meaning of et is and in French. So et toi means you. Et toi means and you. Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? Bonjour, je m'appelle Jean. My name is Jean. Enchantée Madeleine. Enchantée Madeleine means nice to meet you, Madeleine. Au revoir means bye bye. Okay. À ton tour means now it's your turn. So, bonjour et salut. So, what is the meaning of bonjour and salut? The meaning of bonjour means hi and salut means also hi. So, what's the difference between it? So, bonjour is a formal way to say hi in French, and salut is an informal way to say hi in French. What's the difference between formal and informal? Bonjour, you can use it with anyone, like with someone elder than you or someone you don't know. In that case, you can use bonjour. And salut is an informal way, like we can use it with our friends. So it's written in the bracket, pour un ami. Pour un ami means for a friend. Ami. Ami means friend. Comment t'appelles-tu? We already know what's the meaning of this. Comment t'appelles-tu means what's your name. Bonsoir. There are two words given, bonjour and bonsoir. Bonjour means hi, bonsoir means good evening. Bonjour means hi or good morning. Bonsoir means good evening. So, je m'appelle, what's your name? You have to fill it here. Je m'appelle Madeleine. Je m'appelle Shiva. Je m'appelle Ria. Au revoir. Bye bye. Okay. Some of the situations are given here, and you have to say in which situation, which salutation you will use, which greeting you will use. So let's see. You see your neighbor as you leave the house in the morning. What will you say in this case? You have to pick out the important keywords, okay? It is morning. You see your neighbor as you leave the house in the morning. In this case, what will you say? What do you think? Bonjour. Hi. Let's see the next one. You arrive at your friend's house after school has finished. In this case, what will you say? You arrive at your friend's house. In case of friends, how do we say hi? Yes, salut. Yes. So in this case, we'll use salut. You leave your friend's house. When you are leaving someone's place, in that case, what do you say? Bye bye. And we already know how to say bye in French. Au revoir. Yes. You see your teacher on your way to class in the afternoon. Afternoon. Basically, for afternoon, we use bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. So in this case, you can use bon après-midi. You are walking in town and it is almost midday. You see someone you know in the high street. In this case, what will you use? You can use, yes, bonsoir. Exactly. Okay, so here some of the names are given. So let's see how we will pronounce it. So, bonjour, je m'appelle Cédric. Hi, good morning. My name is Cedric. Bonjour, je m'appelle André. Bonjour, hi, je m'appelle André. My name is André. Bonsoir, je m'appelle Eric. Bonsoir, miss. Good evening. My name is Eric. Salut, je m'appelle Charlotte. Hi, my name is Charlotte. And the last one, bonjour, je m'appelle Julie. Hi, my name is Julie. Okay, so this is the way we tell our name in French. We introduce ourselves. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle means my name is. Je m'appelle Shiva. Como t'appelles-tu? Or tu t'appelles como? So you will say je m'appelle and whatever your name is. Fine. Okay. Okay, so we'll see if someone asks you that how are you? In that case, how will respond to it? So we'll see in each case we have used Sava, Sava, Sava. So what is the meaning of Sava? You know, Sava is so versatile. You can even end up the entire conversation in by using Sava only. So you just have to see the tone. If I say Sava, means I'm asking how are you. Someone else will say Sava, means I'm fine. Then I say Sava, Sava, means okay, okay. So we can see that Sava is like it can be used to ask question as well as response to the question. Okay, so Sava means how are you? Sava means I'm fine. So you just have to focus on the tone, how someone is asking. Sava, Sava. Okay, so if you are very happy, in that case you will say we sava bien, merci means yes, I'm fine, thank you. We sava très bien means yes, I'm doing very well. The meaning of très means very. So sava très bien means it's going very well. Next, we can see pas mal, merci. Means pas mal means not bad. Means okay, okay. Not so good, not so bad. Okay, okay. And the last one, no son of a pa. No, it's not going well. So this is the way we respond to our mood, like how we are feeling. If we are feeling very well, in that case we'll use sava bien or sava très bien. If we are not feeling good, in that case we can say no son of a pa. If everything is just okay, okay, not so good, not so bad, in that case we'll use pas mal. And how will you ask someone, how are you in French? You'll say ça va or como ça va, means how are you? Okay, the very important thing, alphabet. So let's see how do we say alphabet in French. So alphabet is pronounced as l'alphabet. L'alphabet. L apostrophe is basically here. L apostrophe is an article in French. So l'alphabet means the alphabet. So how do we say? A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So basically you have to see in this case, basically in French, G is pronounced as J and J is pronounced as G. Okay. And one more thing, H is pronounced as Ash. Again, E is pronounced as A. Fine. And here, V is V and this two V comes together, so W. Okay, so how do we sing it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So just try by yourself. Okay, so see, in this you have it's an activity. What you have to do, you have to arrange it in a proper sequence. It is jumbled. You have to imagine a situation in which you are talking to someone. So how will you start a conversation? So let's see. So first of all, try it by yourself, and we can do it together. So what will be the first one? If you have to start a conversation, then in that case, how will you say? Obviously, you will say hi. So how do we say hi in French? So here, bonjour. So let's see, is it correct or not? Yeah.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. So bonjour, hi. The next one is ça va? Et ça s'écrit como au revoir André, salut. Como t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle André. Oui, ça va très bien. What do you think? What will be the next one? So this one, salut, como t'appelles-tu? Yes.
Salut.
Hi.
Comment
What's your name?
t'appelles-tu?
So if someone is asking your name, so obviously the reply will be je m'appelle. So this one, je m'appelle André, means my name is André.
Je m'appelle André.
Okay. Okay. So bonjour, salut, comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle André. Next. Okay. So if like here it is written a and they so basically if someone is asking name in French, so he might be saying how to spell, what is the spelling of André. So can we use this? Et ça s'écrit comment? Means how
Et
is
ça
it
s'écrit
written?
comment?
What is the spelling of André? So yes, so we will say A, N, D, R, E. So the spelling of André is this one. So someone will say, ça va? Okay? Okay, is that
Ça va?
okay? Oui, ça va très bien. Yes. Ça va
Oui,
très bien.
ça va très bien.
Next one is au revoir André. Bye bye André.
Au revoir André.
Okay, so let's see what's the meaning of this. Bonjour means hi. Salut, comment t'appelles-tu? Hi, what's your name? Je m'appelle André. My name is André. So he might be thinking, okay, what is the spelling of André? How is it written? So, et ça s'écrit comment? Et ça s'écrit comment? How is it written? So, A, N, D, R, E. Okay, so he will say, ça va? Okay? Then he'll say, oui, ça va très bien. Yes, it's okay. It's very, very good. So, au revoir, André. Bye bye, André. Okay, so let's see. What is the meaning of prénom? Prénom means name. Prénom means name. And Sava means how is it going? Okay, so if I say Andre, so how is Andre? Son of Appa means it's not going well, so he's not good. Charlotte, what about Charlotte? So ça va bien means it's going well. Cedric, how is Cedric? Cedric is ça va très bien. It's going very well. He is very happy. And what about Claude? Claude means ça va très bien. He is doing very well. Okay. Okay, so in this,
Je
like
m'appelle
all the
Julie.
sentences are
Comment
given
vas-tu?
together. So what you have to do, you have to break it. You have to break it down. So this one is, the first one is bonjour. So let's see.
Bonjour.
Yes, bonjour, hello. Then next we can see je m'appelle Julie. Comment vas-tu? Je m'appelle Julie. Comment vas-tu? My name is Julie. How are you? Je vais bien. Merci. Et toi?
Je vais bien, merci.
Merci.
Et toi?
Et toi means I am good. Thanks. Et toi? And you? Then what is the next one? Ça va bien. Ça va bien. Merci. Means
Ça va bien, merci.
I am very well. Thanks. Then the next one is au revoir. Au revoir means bye bye.
Au revoir.
Very good. The next one is à plus tard. À plus tard means see you later.
À plus tard.
See you later. Okay, so let's see the fill in the blanks. So what we'll fill here? So bonjour, je dash Leo. So bonjour, je dash Leo. So Leo is a name. So and the subject is je. So what can be the most appropriate one? So revoir, no. This one. So je m'appelle Leo. Je m'appelle Leo. Yeah, miss, my name is Leo. Bonjour. Como ça? Como ça? What do you think? Como ça? So the name is Leo. So como ça s'écrit? How is it written? What is the spelling of Leo? So como ça s'écrit? We saw it in the last slide. Como ça s'écrit? How is it written? So the response is ça s'écrit means it is written. Ça s'écrit L-E-O. Ça s'écrit Leo. Ça dash Leo. Ça dash Leo. So what can be the most appropriate one? Ça va Leo? Ça va? Okay, then he will say, oui, ça va bien. Oui, ça va bien. Oui, ça va bien. Et toi? Et toi? Et toi? And you? And you? Ça va dash merci. So ça va bien merci. So ça va bien merci. Then the last one is the remaining. Au revoir. Bye bye. Okay. So all the answers are correct. So okay, so that's all for this exercise. So in today's lesson we learned how to tell your name in French. We saw some basic salutations in French and alphabet. So today go to your parents and introduce yourself in French. Je m'appelle Shiva, comment t'appelles-tu? And ask their name in French as well. Okay, thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.